So what we're doing today is we're doing a tube setting, and these are a couple examples of tube settings that I did. We need to begin cutting the space for the stone. And how do we do that? There's a setting burr. This is the cutting surface on a setting burr, and which is perfect for exactly what we're doing. So after we go in, what's very important is to make sure that you are coming straight down into the tubing. If we come in at any sort of an angle, like this, and that is exaggerated, usually it's not going to be that much, our seat would be twisted, which means our stone would be sitting like that. And that's not good. So what we're going to do, here's a couple things that I wanted to go grab. My Optivisor so I could see what I'm doing. I picked up this trusty little Traveler toothpick. And now why did I get that? Not because I had something stuck in my teeth, but because when I'm setting stones, if I need to pop that stone out for any reason, that works. Yeah, you like that, huh? So you can work your way right in underneath. I like things to be clean and fresh and ready to go before I start them. Go in here, put a little burlap, and I find the most comfortable way. This for me isn't comfortable. The problem is knowing if this is straight. I can see if it's straight this way from left to right, but forward to back is a little tricky. And I've been doing this so long, I've found this way that I can almost see. I believe that's about where I want it. And I'm not going to be able to tell until I pop my stone in. If you don't push it down evenly, it may go in at an angle and may give you the idea that your seat isn't cut level. So sometimes you have to pop the stone out all the way and push it down again. Okay, so now my stone's in there. It's level. And now I'm going to set it with the bezel rocker. Once I make sure my stone's level, I'll slide it right onto here. And now I've got the control of holding this small ring, but I'm using the pressure up against the bench. And I'll push on one side. So we've got those two pushes, right? Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to get the other two. So north, south, east, west, always opposites. So that's only two pushes. I still have the other two to tack it in, and then to smooth it out all the way around. So what I want you guys to do is I'd like you to start on your first one to see what kind of things you get hung up on, what kind of questions might come up, and then if we're all able to get one and we feel pretty good with it, I can show you a couple more demos as to how I get these set up, make it more efficient.